Hello guys, unfortunately I was actually supposed to perform a song to you guys, but then unfortunately the system is not working, so I'm just gonna do a cappella. So greetings to the house at large. My name is Liyabona Mdladlamba. I'ma speak these bars. Look, hey, when I'm rapping, I speak the message. I be rapping every day. I be increasing my average. My punchlines are fire. See the devil turning ashes. You can call me verb, cause I'm really the man of action. Look up in the sky, I see Mandela on the clouds. I'ma do this thing for Mandela and make him proud. The one that take me on the battle, defeat them the first round. I'm always checking in while the devil checking out. Hey, rapping is my calling. I was born for this. Music is my passion, I ain't doing this for compliments. I always pray to my the creator of the continents, for you to work hard and stop depending on the government. Things are changing, we're actually growing up. A lot of children are actually smoking drugs. They just give each other hatred instead of giving them love. Life is not easy, it's actually getting rough. Look, I want my music to inspire a lot of kids. For the ones who drug addiction to finally feel clean, and the ones who got a vision to finally chase dreams. Wiping out all these drug dealers in the streets. I mean, I don't need a crown for you to know that I'm a king. Praying on my knees, Father God, intervene. Feel like I'm in heaven every time I kill a beat. You can call me Martin Luther, cause I also have a dream.